Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Doing a trade review today. This is USDJPY. Starting from the daily time frame, you can see we had this larger downtrend. As you can see now, price was at this previous support level, and if we head over to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price was on a previous smaller uptrend, respecting the trend line. We had a double top formation. Price actually retested the resistance zone before breaking out of the trend line, and once it failed to go back into the zone, I entered for the sell. Heading over to the 1-hour time frame, we can see the double top clearer as well as the MACD divergence. So once price broke the trend line, retested and failed, I entered for the sell. The complete move was 150 pips. Unfortunately, I didn't end up holding for the complete move just because price started going sideways a bit. So that's it for this one. Hope you guys enjoy this trade review. Remember to leave a like and subscribe, and check out the links in the description below. I have my broker of choice there. You can join the free Telegram, as well as sign up for my mailing list where you'll get access to free trade resources.